Hey, what's up everybody? It's Matt with CF Pro Tools, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create and install the new auto login feature or add-on for CF Pro Tool. For ClickFunnels 1.0. All right, so let's take a quick look at this. What you're going to do, the idea is that you would create a login, maybe with an opt-in or whatever. Maybe it's just a free based and there's no major restrictions. Then you would create a login page with a generic login, and then you would just allow people to automatically, when they go to the login page, they would just automatically be logged into that members area no matter what. So the way it would look if you go to the page, I'm going to go to the actual members area here. We're going to go to the login URL, and I'm going to open that up inside of a new incognito window. So let's go to an incognito window, and I'll go here. And then what you can see is it's going to log me in immediately almost there, and I'll show you how to set that up and how it's going to look when it's finished. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is have a login page and a members area. So you will create two new pages, or you'll already have a members area with a login. So the first thing I'm going to do, we're going to go into an incognito window, and I'm going to go to the secret login URL, and we're going to go to that page where we log in, where we would normally log in or create an account, right? So we're going to create that first generic email. I'm going to say fake login 2, because I already made fake login 1 at gmail.com. We're going to create the password 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, we're going to confirm that with 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can make it whatever you want. This is going to be a generic login that when everybody goes to this page, it's just going to use these credentials to log in once we're done. So remember that, fake login 2 at gmail.com. We're going to come back around to that, and then it's going to log us in. For the purposes of this, I'm just going to log us back out. Okay, so we're just going to click on that, and it'll come back to this page. Let's get out of that. Now you've created your login page, your members area page, and what we're going to do, we're going to go do a quick edit on the actual login page here. And what we want to do is actually hide this, because all of this is going to happen behind the scenes. So we're going to come in here, this little login element, we're just going to hide that, so that way it's not showing, and that way that's actually utilized behind the scenes. Now what I did was you could put a headline in here and it could say logging you in. I thought it'd be cool just to put a quick, like a quick progress bar in here. And really the standby time isn't that much. You could just say logging you in and people get it. You can make it whatever color and customize that. And I put the animated stripes in there just because I thought, okay, it'll give a little bit of movement to it and kind of call attention to it, right? And of course you can customize this. This is your login page. You can do whatever you want with this page. So let's save that. Now let's pull up CF Pro Tools, if I can remember where I put it. It's over here. So what we're going to do, once you're in your account, you can either go to your dashboard, click on Create New from here, or you can click Create New. You can go into your add-ons, go to My Add-ons, and then click on Create New. Now, what you're looking for, do a keyword search for, I would just say login or auto login, and it's going to come up here. It's called Members Area Auto Login right here. This is a VIP Club add-on that works with CF Classic, okay? So come in here. You're going to give it a name. Mine's just going to be called Members Area Login 2. This will be unique for whatever login page that you install this on, so make sure that if you have this installed on numerous login pages that you have more than one. Okay, so I'm going to put in here fake login 2 at gmail.com, and then our members area password will be 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, because that's what we created earlier. So let's hit create add-on there. It's going to give me the information we need, and I am going to copy this out. In fact, I'm just going to click copy code. Do make sure to go into your domains tab and add the domain in. If you have not already done this, make sure to add the domain for the funnel where this is located, okay? So let's bring this other page back in here because we've done everything we need to, and we need to go into our funnel tracking code, footer code area. Make sure to click on footer code, and then we're just going to install that code, okay? That's all you need. Just put that in there, paste it in, hit the X, hit the save button, and you should be good at this time. If you just installed it or you just put the domain in there, there might be a few minutes that you need to wait in order for everything to actually 100% function the way that it should. So once you've done this though, make sure to save the page, go back to your main page. You could probably just hit preview, but the way that I like to look at this is we're going to go over here to the members area, and you're probably going to share the login URL. And I'm going to go over here to an incognito window, just as if I clicked on it from an email or from a confirmation link. And we're just going to go to that page, and you'll see real quick it says logging you in, and then it automatically logs you right into the page over here. One thing I would recommend, if you have a navigation element and you have a logout link, you may want to remove the logout link, because as soon as you click log out, it's just going to go back here and then log them back in, and it might look kind of glitchy. So you might want to remove that. But other than that, this is really, really nice. It's, I think, a good user experience, and it's going to give you guys, or give you some options for those of you guys that have free members areas. If somebody has a paid upgrade, you probably just want to give them whatever information they need to access their own account and not this generic account, okay? So hopefully that helps. Do great things with this. If you have any questions, hit us up in support@cfprotools.com. We'll do what we can to further assist. Take care. Have a good one.